Welcome. My name is Rochelle Long, and I am from Long Counseling and Evaluation Services. Today, I'm going to talk briefly about reunification therapy and what actually is reunification therapy and why is it needed. So, many of you are watching this video either estranged from your child, to you're a professional in the field and you're trying to understand reunification therapy and what actually does it all entail, or three, you're going through a high conflict custody situation and you're trying to figure out what is your next option. Attorney, counsel, guardian ad litem, parenting evaluator, a commissioner judge, and just trying to learn more about the process, or you've been court ordered for reunification therapy. Briefly today, I'm just going to talk about reunification therapy. There are not a lot of providers out there that are actually trained to do this kind of therapy. It is family systems model based. However, a reunification therapist have the forensic knowledge as well, in conjunction with understanding basic family law and understanding the family systems and attachment models. So I wanted to start off with, I do reunification therapy and I do reunification therapy training, and I have a training coming up very soon, and we'll post, it will be in 3 series. So and you're a professional, please watch it and learn, and we can have dialogues about the training. So most people think reunification therapy are for people who have been through, children are alienated from one parent. Really true. Reunification therapy be a court order, or at least should be, to really be effective, because a reunification therapist, in order to execute appropriately, there needs to be a court order in place to completely understand how and what are the perimeters about reunification therapy. Reunification therapy works with both parents while they're going through custody disputes, or they've already gone through custody disputes, and understanding the reunification, to understand that these times are really challenging and emotional for families and children. The children are suffering a lot of the times, and the majority of the time, one parent is either estranged from their child, hasn't seen their child, or the relationship is strained. Now, I need to put a caveat out there that one is alienated, and not all children are alienated if you're in reunification therapy. And 2, sometimes the parent that is estranged from the child is due to issues of being estranged, not the other parent doing it. 2 separate situations that I will talk about at a later time, or you can go back and look at some of my videos that I've done in the past about parental alienation. So given that, that is why it is extremely important for reunification therapists to be knowledgeable and educated in the area of providing reunification therapy. So usually entails reunification therapy as a court order. 2, the reunification therapy to understand family law, not just the basics. 3, understand the family dynamics and what's going on within the family. Be able to read through all the reports, documentation, read through the court orders, guardian ad litem reports, parenting evaluators, parenting coordinators, etc. A conversation with the counsel, both attorneys, both sides, if they have counsel. Be very transparent with everyone. Do not communicate with one attorney without not communicating with the other, because you want to be very transparent in both. And also alerting and educating everyone that this is not a confidential process. So by doing all this, you are protecting yourself from potential allegations, because that does happen for Department of Health complaints against your license. And you really want to be there for the children. It really is for the best interest of the children. You want to go through thoroughly with an intake with both parents separately, the children separately, and then make a treatment plan after you've read through the material, met with the parents, met with the children, spoke to collaterals, have had contact with the counsel if there is some, guardian ad litem, parenting evaluator. All done, you can devise a treatment plan, present it to both parties, including attorneys, and let them know where you're going. The good news is, I always have to end with a joke, is that if either one or both parties are not extremely happy with the situation, you are doing your job. So yes, reunification therapists must be tough, strong, and stick by the ethics and standards of their therapeutic process, not to deviate, and realize that there are a lot of therapists out there that mean well, but they're doing more harm. And the therapy is out there to protect these families for further doing harm. It also helps set up for a potentially could mediate versus going to full-on trial and save them a lot of money. So check out the trainings that are coming up. Keep watching this channel, as I will keep updating about certain things. If you are going through a high conflict custody battle right now, feel there's some parent alienation going on, or need of reunification therapy, please do not hesitate to contact me at rlong@longcounseling.com. And please ask questions, and I'm more than happy to offer whatever I can within a reasonable, I'm not going to give long, detailed answers. I also do offer some support to professionals out there, and I will do trainings, and I do supervision. So I look forward to hearing from all of you, and if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.